you have specifically participated in other things that we have done. So I want to talk about a couple of those things, one of them being workshops. So we do a workshop series called the Strategic Business Forum Workshop Series. We've actually done this workshop series for 15 years, which is crazy to say. Because of COVID, we've done some in-person meetings, but we've been doing a lot of virtual stuff recently. But you guys have been to the workshops. You've brought other people on your team to workshops. So talk a little bit about the workshop experience. What's that been like for you?
It's been fantastic. I love the workshops. I am sad that they're not happening in the regular cycle that they were before COVID, because as hard as it was to take that time to break away, once we did, we were away. And so it was different from a virtual experience. I mean, there's also the in-person part of it is obviously very different, but that was a really key element. It's like when we got there, we were just completely in it. That's what we were doing. And there's just they're fire hose type workshops, but in a good way. Like, it's not just all this information that is like you just need to memorize a bunch of facts. It's like thought provoking, really opening up your mind to think about and look at yourself and how you're doing whatever aspect of your business it is that's the focus of that workshop. And then opportunity to hear from other people in other businesses, other business owners who are in a completely different industry, but they're having the same problem you're having. And maybe they've got some ideas about a solution that either would work for you or sparks an idea about how you could do something differently. There's a lot of cross-pollination that goes on, a lot of just kind of mind expansion. I love them.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I know you guys have been to quite a few, and so thank you for saying that. I appreciate that.